Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe down below. So today I have for you guys this super simple and super easy to do. I was gonna say Halloween. Damn girl, it's like that. Anyways, this super simple and super easy to do festival look. So if you guys would like to recreate it, just keep on watching. So to start off, I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to go into this blue shade right here and we're going to apply that all over our lid. The color was honestly not as pigmented as I remember it to be, so I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm gonna grab this blue shade right here and I'm gonna put that all over that blue shade we just applied to hopefully get it to be more intense. Yeah, that looks so much better. Can you guys tell the difference? This is the one I intensified and this is the one that I didn't. This is all that I'm going to be doing up here. If you guys want, you can add liner. However, I'm not going to do that. I will be doing my foundation and lashes off camera, and as per usual, all the products that I will be using today will be listed down below. What up? Alright, so I baked my under eyes and my smile lines with my Mercier loose translucent powder, and now I'm going to set the rest of my face with the same powder. Alright, so now let's finish off our eyes. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Liner, and I'm going to be applying that on my lower, on my waterline. You guys, the whole time that I've been filming this video, I've been in my feelings. Like, for some reason, I have wasted times by the weekend, like, stuck in my head, like, on repeat. That's all I want to do right now, just be listening to The Weeknd. Alright, so now I'm going to set that black liner with some black eyeshadow. Going back to my Urban Decay Electric palette, I'm going to be mixing in this purple shade and this purpley pinky shade, and I'm going to apply that under the black liner we just applied. So as an inner corner highlight and a brow bone highlight, I'm going to be using Forever Lit from the Nicole Guerrero ABH Glow Kit. It looks white in the pan, but this is actually like a silvery purple. Now that we're done with our eyes, we're going to bronze up the face using the ABH Cappuccino bronzer. You want to look like a bronze fairy. That's pretty much what festivals are like. I mean, from what I've seen. I've never been lucky enough to attend one. Now I'm just going to bake underneath that bronzer. So while that bakes, I'm going to go into my ABH Peachy Love Blush Trio, and I'm going to do this shade right here called Miami. Gonna dust that powder off. Gonna apply some Fix Plus. Now I'm gonna go into my Metal Crush palette from Kat Von D, and I'm gonna grab this pink shade here called Rose Shock, and I'm gonna use that as a highlighter. So to finish off this look and add some color back into my skin, I'm going to go into the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural, That'll Never Get Easy, in the shade Medium Tan. So to finish off this look, I'm going to apply this Maybelline Shine Shot Prismatic Lip Coat on my lips, and this is so pretty. It's like a clear gloss. You can't see it on this camera, but it's a clear gloss with glitters that reflect purple, pink, and a little bit of greenish. It's so cute. Perfect for festival. I feel like the lips just looked way too plain, like with the gloss on its own, with like eyes this colorful. So what I'm gonna do is use the Smashbox lipstick in the shade Audition, I think. This is just like a pinky nude. This is a perfect everyday lipstick. Okay, now let's go in with the Maybelline lip gloss. Now don't forget your setting spray. So that is it for this look. Shout out to my friend Brittany for inspiring me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time that I upload, and leave your video recommendations down below. I will see you guys next time.